Hi everyone, I'm Heather and I've helped thousands of people change their mindset, gain momentum, and transform their lives one simple step at a time. And today I'm super excited because another one of my Inspiration Journey courses is launching this evening. And some of you might be like, what? Why do I need this? But I know that so many of you are feeling stuck, are feeling unsure, are wondering if this is just as good as it gets. And I'm here to tell you that you are feeling all of those things because you are lacking the foundation that I believe is integral to your success and overall well-being in your life. And that is, you are lacking inspiration. When you're lacking inspiration, you struggle to get simple things done. When you are inspired, you can be successful, you can evolve, you can move forward without taking all of the baggage with you, without sabotage, without beating yourself up. So when you are inspired, your emotions elevate. They just simply do. You feel better about yourself. Your thoughts are positive. You're able to help others in a way that you've never been able to help them before. You're able to help yourself, and you just flat out can be more and do more. Doesn't that sound awesome? It's really simple, guys, and the course is not designed to bog you down with a ton of work. It is very manageable. It is 15 days long, and I promise I will hold your hand and get you through the tough stuff. So a lot of you will just be sitting there saying, I don't even care, Heather. Well, I know, but you should care because you deserve more, and I can help you with all of this. We are going to clear the room. We are going to make space. We are going to find our center. First things first, okay? I know some of you are thinking, well, that might be a harder challenge than, that might take longer than 15 days, Heather. I understand, but we will start to begin to lay the groundwork. We will set intentions every day. We will express our gratitude every day. Those are integral parts into living an inspired life. We will find our creative side. Yes, we will. I know a lot of you are like, nope, I don't do crafts. I'm not creative, but you are. And once we open a few doors and you understand that you are, it's going to make things a lot easier. We're going to learn how to harness our inspiration and to use it and to learn from it. Together, we are going to build this foundation that we are going to be able to stack upon and move forward with and gain momentum with and really begin to transform within so that we truly, once and for all, my goodness sakes, finally can be well and we'll be able to truly believe in ourselves. If this sounds like something you want, there's still time, there's still spaces available to hop on. We're starting this evening. All videos and all course materials will be recorded so that you will be able to watch them at your leisure. I would love to work with you. So do yourself a favor, hop on over to my website, 𝐒𝐭𝐿, click on courses, and it's right there at the top. And I'll look forward to seeing you there. Thanks so much. As always, I ask you to be well and believe in you.